Okay, hi everyone. It has been a long time since I posted, but I figure that I would do an unboxing. I recently ordered a Filofax Finsbury, I think, and it just came today. I haven't even opened the box. Obviously, I covered my address with the sticker from over here, but I have not opened the box, so I'm going to open it now. I don't have any scissors, so I'm using a pin because you gotta use what you have. And I'm recording this on my phone, so please excuse. Oh. So that works on that side. And I'm in my room because I just got home from work. I was tired, taking a short nap, but yeah. Okay. All right. It's so pretty. I ordered this last week. On the 18th. And it was on sale. Not that much of a sale. I think it was still $70. But this is very nice. Okay, has like a little plastic covering over the top for shipping. Alright, so you have these slits over here. This is a very tight pocket. Not sure what I would be able to fit in there, if it needs to be worked just to loosen. Move, go sit down. This also is a tight pocket. But this is nice. See it embossed. Camera won't focus. Anyways, embossed with the Filofax logo. Real leather. That's what it says. I currently have a KK planner, but it's kind of broken. Part of it is broken, and you know, it's just kind of time to upgrade. So they gave me a few sheets, and I have 2018 week on 2 pages included. I have the time management pages from Filofax, which you have to order from the UK. Hold on one second, let me go get them. Okay, so this is my KK planner. It's in gray, and as you can see, the clip right here broke off. I kept it in a tote bag, and I guess just being in the tote bag, it kind of popped off. This is the other side. Sorry. So you see that little clip that helps open the rings broke off. And I'm trying to open to a page that you guys, can't see my personal information. So this is the month on 2 pages I ordered from, I'm going to mess up the name. So here's the name. of the pages. I ordered it from Wellies and Lemonade, which is in the UK. I thought this was going to be a month on 2 pages. That's going to have like a blank sheet here so I can follow by my few weeks for that month, which I prefer that layout better. I like to have my month and my weekly pages next to each other, but this is not. It's kind of like the Filofax pages where it's just back to back month. It doesn't work for me. So this is the week on 2 pages, the time management layout. This layout works just so good for me. I do not do well with this type of layout. This works because it gives me option to write my notes, write any personal reminders, any expenses, which usually I use this for other reasons, additional notes, and then just small spots for like appointments. This is where I put appointments. And then I put additional reminders here, and then anybody I need to call back. This works. Here I just kind of lay out what I need to get done this week. So, all right, so this is an example of a week. It's not really filled in that much, but I was taking a class, so this helps me lay out all of the assignments I need to get done for this week. I have businesses, so this just laying out things that I need to get done for one business and then for another business. Same thing here, just kind of lay it out, nothing over here. Same thing. So I wasn't using my planner religiously because, I don't know, just life kind of got in the way. But I've started using my planner again because I really need to get hyper-focused on some things I want to accomplish for this year and next year. My husband and I have some plans, so this is trying to help me get refocused on everything. And I bought another planner, and it didn't really help. The layout just doesn't work. I know you guys understand. Certain layouts just work better for your mental organization, and this layout works great. This is the time management inserts from Filofax UK. The US Filofax does not have this, so I ordered it all the way from the UK to get this, and I already have my 2019 pages because I really like these inserts. They're not as, decorative, but they are so functional for me. So these are my Kiki K notes, which I love the color. I really like these notes that came with my Kiki K planner. They don't sell this type anymore, so I guess I'm just stuck with what I have. These are to-do lists for my Kiki K planner pages. I use all these notes for different reasons. Receipt envelope. This is a Filofax receipt envelope. See, I had a whole idea if I was going to use it. It never happened. But I really want to use this for my business to help me keep better track of receipts of things that I purchase. So when tax time comes, it'll be a whole lot easier. And then, of course, we have the project plan pages. So this is from 2017, but I went ahead and, come on, focus. Yeah, I went ahead and just whited out and wrote 2018 because these goals still need to get done. Again, same thing. It's like, why get rid of it? I have business, so I'm using these for my business, again, to help me focus on what I need to accomplish for this year and next. So these, I don't remember where I got these from, but I just stuck them to the back of this page. Yeah. Uh-oh. Look at that, fell off already. All right, so I just want to do a quick unboxing. Let's go back to the Filofax. And so here's your week on 2 page, this is a nice layout, but I don't think it's not gonna work for me. Not much to this. I've always wanted a Filofax, but I've never bought one because, one, they're quite expensive. Two, my Kiki K was working really well. Had the rings, the 6 rings like the Filofax, and I was able to get the inserts. So that worked fine. But I really like this planner. It's very nice. Well, all right, everyone. Just wanted to give you a quick unboxing of my Finsbury. Very cute. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.